up with it, man? Day 2, you feel me? I'm doing a quick 2-day turnaround. You feel me? Still fucking with your boy Sauce right now. We gonna head over to, where we going? Isla Mujeres. You said Mujeres. I mean, it's like, you seen the Corona commercial? You go over there with a Corona with the sand, it's white. You feel me? And you know, and the water's like white blue. Talk about North Carolina blue. That's how we living right now, you know what I'm saying? We out here definitely eat, you know what I'm saying? Definitely chilling, all work, no play equals the what? You feel me? Big entertainment, Pop Hit the Boom, we out here, Cancun for the 2009, nigga, y'all finna be there. You know we there. We out like that. It's good.
Okay, this is how we do it. We over here on the island right now, Cancun, Mexico. Why hate the movement? You know what I'm saying? I mean, if you see, we got crabs in the ocean, we got everything, you know what I'm saying? Real tropical with it.
We ain't talking about STDs.
Yeah. We ain't talking about STDs. We talking about, you know what I'm saying, tropical crabs, you know what I'm saying? Shit that's different colors you never seen. The flamingo behind you, but we ain't gonna show that right now.
So what's the plan though?
Oh, the plan is I'm about to get in this water right now and cool the fuck off. It is hot as a motherfucker out here. I know I go by hot sauce, but right now I'm trying to just go by sauce because it's too hot already, you know what I'm saying? Why hate the movement? We definitely in the building, Cancun, ass titties everywhere. I'm loving it.